back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some products from Bali Body. I'm going to be reviewing the shimmering body oil, the BB cream, and the BB cream. Sorry about the construction sounds. They're always building in Tel Aviv and all over Israel. So if you want to see how to get this look, please keep on watching. Alright, I already have my eyes done, so I'm just going to finish up with my face. I already put moisturizer on, and that's obviously very important if you want to get your skin to glow. This is so dark on me. Okay, at first I had a heart attack because it's so dark on me. I'm super pale. This is how it looks. It's so natural. I really like it. I nearly had a heart attack at first because it was super dark. It just helps if you blend it in with a stippling brush, because when I put it on with my fingers the concentration was like too much, so this really helps to even it out. Now I'm going to use some blush from Il Makiage. I'm going to be using the top two. Now I'm going to bronze with Hoola by Benefit. Same brush. I'm going to use the Bali Body Coconut Lip Balm. I'm applying this with the Morphe brush. Excuse my nails. Okay, it smells amazing. Feels so nice. Just to finish up my face, I'm using another brush from Morphe and MAC Soft and Gentle Highlighter. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do to achieve the glowy look is to use the shimmering body oil. I'm going to bronze a little bit again with Hoola by Benefit under my lip. And that's the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Highly recommend using Bali products because, as you can see, it works really well as a base for makeup or as a natural BB cream or lip balm or whatever it is that you need. I have yet to try out the tanning oils, which I really need, and I'm so excited to use. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be putting in so much work and so much content.
I would really appreciate it if you supported me.